update ng mga sounds. So ito lang naman yung aking sounds. So ano yan, okay, see, case, DVD, this, then yung aking Pioneer. So yan, functional yan. Itong TV audio. Yan. Itong aking creation power amp. So open wood CD player to. So in-insertan ko na ang transistor, power transistor amp. And yan, ito yung tuner.
Smile, enjoy natin ang playlist today. Thank you so much, Ma.
Bali, ang subwoofer niya is to. So, Bluetooth to, pero yung sub na lang ang ginamit ko para i-drive to. But anyway, so ito aking workshop. So, dirty workshop. Okay, dirty workshop. Yeah. So, mga collection. Ito pa mga ano rito. So, yan. So, yung project ko na ATV. Tanggal. Pangalawang project ko yan. So, motorcycle and audio. Ating malakasan. Malaki ang DVD. Video okay machine. Okay. Piats. So, okay. Ito na. Okay, simple lang naman. Update 2026. Okay.